In order to make a payment with your bank account, you will need to access your online statements via your club's website. The balance due amount found within your online statements will be sent to the online payment portal as the default payment amount. However, you do have the ability to modify the payment amount before submitting the payment. Please note that the balance due amount that is displayed within your online statements will not be adjusted to reflect any payments made within your current statement period. If your current month statement has been made available online for you, it will reflect any payments made via the online payment portal. To access the online payment portal, you can go ahead and click the Pay Now button. This will take us over to the online payment portal, where we'll be able to make a one-time payment using either the credit card or bank account feature as made available by your club. You will not be required to log in and create an account for the online payment portal, as the profile will be established the first time you click on the Pay Now button. All members on the same primary account will utilize the same payment account. At the top right-hand corner of your screen, there is a message that reads Cancel Order and Go Back. Clicking on Go Back will take you back over to your online statements page. In order to process a payment with your bank account, we're going to make sure we click on the bank account option. If this is your first time making a payment via your online statements with the bank account, you will need to enter the information seen here. Routing number, name on account, phone number, account type, account number, email address, and bank name. There will also be a message at the bottom of the window asking whether or not you'd like to save this bank information for a future payment. If you select yes, you will receive another checkbox which will ask if you do want to receive email notifications once payments have been processed. Once you've entered all your bank account information, we can go ahead and scroll to the bottom of the screen. A payment cannot be processed until you've entered all the bank account information and you've stated yes or no to saving the bank account information for future use. If any information is missing, you will not be able to click on the Submit button. Before completing the payment, you can adjust the amount you'd like to pay within the amount field under the payment total. By default, the amount will be populated with the balance due amount that was pulled over from your online statements. But you can easily adjust this by typing in the amount that you would like to pay. If your club is charging convenience fees, those will be listed here, and the total amount will include the amount you've entered to pay, as well as any convenience fees as applicable. To process the payment, go ahead and click that Submit button. Upon completing a payment, you will be taken to the confirmation page with the following buttons. Print Receipt will allow you to print a receipt of the payment. For example, click here. Your receipt will look similar to what you see on the screen here. Alternatively, you can go ahead and click Go Back to Homepage, which will take you back over to your Statements page. Now let's go ahead and click back on that Pay Now button. If you said no to saving your bank account information for future use, the next time you click the Pay Now button, you will have to enter a bank account to process your payment. However, if you said yes to saving your bank account information for future use, the next time you click the Pay Now button, any previously saved accounts will be available for selection. Alternatively, you do have the option of adding a new bank account. From here, the process is the same to submit your payment. You can also update your email address, phone number, and email notification preference prior to submitting future payments.